fix YouTube error code 15. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix YouTube error code 15. Error code 15 usually appears with the message, "This request was blocked by security rules." This issue can be caused by VPNs, blockers, browser extensions, or corrupted cache or cookies. If you're using VPN on your device, you want to turn it off, as VPN traffic can trigger security blocks on YouTube. Next thing you want to do is make sure to clear YouTube cache and cookies. For that, open up your settings, tap on apps, then find the YouTube option, select that. Now tap on storage. Here select clear cache. If you're using YouTube on a browser, make sure to clear cache there as well. Also restart your browser and device and check. If you're using Chrome browser, make sure to close Chrome completely and then open Chrome again. Head over to youtube.com, log back in and check. After completing all of these steps, the error code 15 issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.